Hi my friends, welcome to Mavic channel. Today we will be reviewing the Mavic Air 2. Yep, the Mavic Air 2 is in the house. Let us get straight to it. Let us remove everything quickly and show what we got inside. Okay. The first thing I did was to register the drone with FAA, so there goes my number right there. I am very impressed with the design of this drone. I think DJI did a very good job. You have to first unfold the front wings before the back one. If not, it gets blocked as shown here. Open up the front wing and then open up the back one. It is very easy to take out the gimbal cover. All you need to do is gently push in right here and then pull out, and there you go. As easy as ABC. To replace the cover, you just put in the top one as shown here and then push the bottom part till it snaps. At the front of the drone you can find two sensors which looks like headlights. You can also find two sensors at the back of the drone. At the left side of the drone you can find a USB port which is used solely for transferring data and not for charging the drone. And at the right side you can find the slot where you put in the memory card. Be reminded that this drone comes with 8 gigabytes of internal storage, but as you know, that's not usually enough. The battery is found at the top of the drone, and to take it out all you need to do is push the two buttons at the side of the drones and it snaps out very easily. And to replace it you just push until you hear the snap. At the bottom of the drone you can also find two sensors, and between those two sensors is the landing light rather, which is usually very useful while landing when it is getting dark. Now let us take a quick look at the remote control. Firstly, as you may notice, it doesn't have a joystick on there, but they are found at the bottom of the remote control. They snap out very easily, and all you need to do is screw them in and you're good to go. It is always advisable to remove your joystick after flying, particularly during transportation, in an effort to avoid damaging them. You can control the speed of the Mavic Air 2 by either sliding this button to the tripod mode, normal or sports mode. To the left there you find the return to home button, and to the right there you find the on and off button. At the top far right corner there you find the button used in switching from photo to video mode. The charging port is located at the bottom of the remote control right here. The record and gimbal control buttons are found at the top of the remote control and are located at the right and far left corner. The phone and mobile device holder is found at the top of the remote control, and it is easily removed as you can see here. And also underneath it is found an RC cable or the lightning cable or lightning connector, which you use to connect to your mobile device. This little box contains the following: your charging cable, a communication cable, props including two spare, two extra lightning connectors as you can see here, and two spare joysticks. Installing your prop is very easy. All you need to do is match the end that has the two silver dashes with the prop that has a silver circle, and the end with no dash or props with no silver circle go together. The Mavic Air 2 has 4 signal lights located close to each motor. To charge your battery, all you do is you just align your charging cable and slide it or push it in as shown here, and then just plug the other end to the wall. Note that you can charge both your battery and your remote control at the same time. To determine the level of your battery power, you just put a short press on top of the battery and you see the 4 lights that show that is fully charged, 3 would mean it is 3/4 charged, and so on and so forth. And to start your drone, all you need to do is to give a short press and then a long one, and then your drone will turn on. And to power off your drone, all you do is you do the same thing, short press and long press, and then it turns off automatically. When you give a short press on the power button on your remote control, it indicates the power level as shown by these lights. And a short followed by a long press will turn your remote control on. Now let's turn over to setting up your drone. You will need to download or install the DJI Fly app on your mobile device and just follow the prompts from there. It will automatically ask you to create an account if you haven't yet created an account. But if you've created an account, all you need to do is just put in your password and follow the prompt. Now let us turn over to the fun part, the part I have been waiting for. Let us do the test, man. Look at this beast. Look at this beast. Mavic Air 2 finally in the house. Okay, we are ready for takeoff. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. Mavic Air 2 finally in the house. Yeah, look how steady it is. Responds perfectly to the control. I am surprised that it did not ask me to calibrate it. Maybe I still have to do that, but it didn't ask me. It said everything was okay, so I just went for it. Yep, let's look at the drone footage itself. Maiden flight, initial takeoff. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, the long-awaited Mavic Air 2 maiden flight, first flight. Yeah, man, this thing is a beast. Yeah. I am surprised at how comfortable the remote control is too, man. So there you go, guys. There you go, guys. Man, look at that. Look at that. Finally, I can't wait to fly this thing over and over again. Yep. So we discussed a little bit about the drone, but I will be doing more reviews, especially about the remote control and the app interface. I will touch most of that in a subsequent video, but for now, let's just fly this thing, man. Yeah, we will test all the other functions that that comes with this drone rather. Yeah, for now let's just do a quick spin around, just enjoy the moment. Man, look at the video. We will touch some of that, the settings and everything, on a subsequent video. So guys, please watch out, stay tuned, look for it, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know your initial impressions. For those who have this drone, for those who are looking forward to buying this drone, please ask your question and recommend videos. I will be glad to share whatever little knowledge I have or I can find about this drone. Yeah. I will test the various mode. I will also do a range test. Guys, don't forget to register your drone if you're flying in the US with FAA. Alright guys, let us bring this bird down. Let us land this beast, the Mavic Air 2. It's been a fun, quick maiden flight. I totally enjoyed it. It responds perfectly. It is an excellent drone. For my goodness, yeah, I'm totally impressed. I can't wait to fly this thing over and over again and do some comparisons with the Mavic Mini and all the other Mavic drones that I have. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, leave your comments below. Tell me what are your thoughts about this drone, about this video, about my channel. I am glad and happy to receive any questions from you. Thank you and have a blessed one.